GetOutTheHouseGoFish. Me and Katie are hitting up this new spot right here. It's really foggy today. On the way over here, we saw that it was real foggy. As we got closer to our destination, we saw that the fog was lifting, but when we actually got here, fog is pretty thick still out here. So, like I said, it's our first time here at this location, and there are some rocks that run along here as we go further out. You can't see them yet, but nice structure. And our goal today is possibly we want to hook into a sheep's head, and you know, we've never hooked into a sheep's head, and that's our goal today of coming out. If not, then hopefully we just catch some fish. We already had quite a few mullet jumping all right here close to the bank here up to shore. A lot of action, so that's a good sign. So just unloaded, we're gonna get out in the water, start throwing our lines in, and see what we can catch today. All right, came across some new gulp, some new colors. Let me show y'all what I got here. Check out these new colors I found at the store. Maybe y'all seen them before. This is Fire Tiger, and this is like a chartreuse pepper neon. It's like, some of these are like white on the end, and then they have the tails. I think I'm gonna try the Fire Tiger. Got these ships out here that are coming through the channel, so if you hear a loud ship's horn, that's what's going on, because you can't see anything once you get out there. So we're just gonna be real careful once we get out in that channel. I think we're gonna fish right here, see if we can hit anything up right here first and make our way out there. So
you have to be really careful.
Yeah,
It's actually moved in.
yeah, it has. It was when we were coming over here.
We have to stick close to shore.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Oh, I want you.
Those mullet are jumping though. Just got to be careful. Hopefully that fog won't last too long. I don't know what that is. That's a big old pinfish. That's a big ass pinfish. Yeah, big pinfish. That's the biggest pinfish I've seen. Man. Huh? Yeah, just shrimp. Look how big this pinfish is. This guy's, man. That's a big ass pinfish right there. Watch out for that boat though. It gets caught in this current, and see, it's like, man, I don't know what it gets under. Man, it gets caught under something, and then it just takes it and breaks my hook off. Every time. But every time I come by here, drive by on the road here, I see boats sitting out here. And if I look on the GPS, I can see either right here or down a little bit further, I can see boats just anchored up. So I'm like, this has got to be a good spot. So when you look on GPS and you see boats at a certain spot, that might be a clue. That might be a good fishing spot if they're anchored up right there. So it's just a little hint when you look on on the Google Maps. If you see a boat anchored there, it's pretty. That could be a telltale sign that that's a good fishing spot. It's a round structure, so that's what we're going for. Oh, I got a fish. Doggone it, doggone it. Got off. Well, that sucked. I just had it thrown out like that. Came up and got, oh well. Ended up trying to tie a hook on, and then the damn thing goes off. That's about my luck right there. That's my luck. That's my luck today, y'all. All right, so we're gonna take a little break from the sheepshead fishing, go out there, see if we can catch some trout or something else, whatever we can catch. I got something. Got something. Red.
Yay.
Nice. All right. Nice little red, little rat red. All right, let's see how big this little rat red is. This guy is about 13 and a half. Check him out. All right, buddy, you need to get bigger. Yep. Pretty red. Pretty blue tail. That's it. All right. That was on the new gulp. That fire. What is this? The Fire Tiger.
Oh, give me one of them.
You want one of them? All right. The Fire Tiger. Yeah.
I would like to say thank you, Jesus, that I have caught a fish today of some kind. I caught a redfish. I have a redfish. I have a redfish. Yay! Right here.
Katie got a hookup. All right, Katie. Guess they like that fire lure there. Way to go. Yeah.
Hey, baby!
Yeah. Oh, got. Oh, doggone. Got a hookup. Yeah. Another red. Oh man, this is woo. This is the red area right here. Red spot. I think her fish got out of the boat. Let me see. It was all flopping around. Okay, she got it.
Here he is. He's beautiful. He'll cut out all that crap where I look stupid. My beautiful 14-inch tiny little redfish. Yay! It's so good to be fishing. All right, buddy. Woo! Yes.
All right, double hookup for sure. All right, let's see what we got here. This guy is a little over like 14 and a half. All right, man. Check it out. Little rat. One spot over there, one spot over there. Pretty red. There we go.
I knew it. I knew there was a red over here. I knew it. Sorry. I knew it. Oh my God, it fell right off. Thank you, Jesus. I've been having trouble with my rod. Not my rod, my reel, my line today. And Mike and I have this thing where we say, if you want to catch a fish, eat a sandwich. Works every time. So I was like, I should take out my sandwich and start eating my sandwich. Maybe I'll catch a red. I'll be damned. I caught a freaking red as soon as I started eating my damn sandwich. Now, it's a baby, and that's fine. Because, you know me, I don't care about that. This little baby, he's 15. Oh God, he's just beautiful. And since I don't have my stuff ready ever at all, I just want to show you this lovely guy. Now 15-inch, number 2. He would have been number 3, but you know I foul hooked the other one. He never made it in the boat, so Mike would say, you know that don't count, Katie. So this is number 2. Get out the house and go fish.
but that's it. Thanks for coming out with us. Caught quite a few rat reds. Did you catch any trout? No trout. I think I caught one, but it got away right at the boat. I'm thinking that was a trout that got off at the boat when I was out by the rocks. Check out this pinfish. I think this is the biggest pinfish I've ever caught. It's about, at the fork, it's about 9 inches at the fork. Look how big this thing is. Man, that's gonna be some good bait. Yep. So if you catch you know, bait fish, pinfish, keep it, you know, put it in the cooler, save it for next time when you go out, cut it up. Reds love that stuff. So we're gonna pack up, head to the house. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. If you haven't yet, please do hit that thumbs up button also. And this year we will be going out and fishing different, lots more different locations. Trying to get out there with more people. So you'll probably see more people this year, different local people here, trying to get with them and go out and fish with them also. So anyway, all right, we're gonna load up and head on out. GetOutTheHouseGoFish.